We're joining Matt Jennings right now from Lakeside Renovation and Design Weather Deck. He's right there on the other side of the house. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
So we're talking about windows and replacement. And nothing can save you more money than a window that is energy efficient, not only in the winter, but the summer too.
Absolutely.
So you guys, are you doing a lot of this right now? As people are not selling, they're doing home improvement?
Absolutely. If you think about it, right, we have these openings in our home, these holes in our home, and a lot of us we're really focused as energy costs have risen on that high, what are we maintaining that efficiency in our home? And the windows, those holes, it's a big driver of where we're feeling drafts coming in.
So you got drafts, you got leaks, you got damage, decaying frames, usually signs that it's time to look for some new windows.
Absolutely, and we have a few options really. So obviously the entry level is vinyl, right? Vinyl can be really a cost-effective product, but if you have the funds to upgrade, I would push us up a little bit in that price point. Vinyl, the biggest thing about vinyl is we want stability in that opening, right? And so vinyl has a high expansion and contraction, almost 7 times that of glass.
Well, you guys have something called Ultrex, and I think we've got some video of that. This guy's hanging from it, and then there are 2 people hanging from him, just to show the strength of this stuff.
Yep.
And is this what you're dealing with Marvin Windows?
Correct. So Infinity. Okay. So we install Infinity Windows by Marvin. So that's a fiberglass replacement window. And the key to that fiberglass is where I talk about vinyl expanding and contracting. Fiberglass actually expands at a lower rate than glass itself. That means we have a really stable, fixed frame in our home. Not only that, when you talk about that strength, what it means is that we can have such a smaller frame, keeping that glass as big as we can so that view and that sunlight is really getting to break through.
So what about the glass? You've got 2-pane, you've got some stuff called low E, U factor, you're looking at all these different things.
Sure.
What's that mean?
Technology's just come a long way. So low E coatings, they're really reflective coatings to keep that harmful heating rays out and that cool, tempered air inside of our home. And then gas, there's a couple options for gas. What we have is 2 to 3 panes of glass.
Is that argon gas between?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we fill that with that gas, and it creates essentially that healthy thermal break. So we lower the condensation we see on windows or icing up and things like that.
All right. Matt Jennings from Lakeside Renovation and Design, and I did run some numbers. It averages nationwide about $565 per window.
Sure.
Some are more expensive. It all depends on the site, the size, and all of that. But good to see you again.
Good to see you.
We appreciate it. We're going to take a little break. We'll be back with more Fox 2 News in the morning right after this.
Never